What's up, everybody? It's the Darkinator with another drawing video, and today I'm going to be slamming you with a tutorial on how to draw Forky. So let's go hop into the drawing video so we can get started. Hey everybody, let's start drawing Forky from Toy Story 4. So we're going to start with Forky's fork shape, which is where his face is. So let's go with long shape sides of his face like so, and I'm gonna kind of taper these downwards like that, really thin because he is a fork, and you know the widest fattest part of a fork is the top, the poking part. So now Forky has 4 like spikes on top of his head, okay? So we're gonna do 4 spike shapes on the top like that. Then let's draw his eyes. So he has one big eye, alright, and one small eye. Oops, I don't like that size. One small eye. And whenever he's in like a super shocked mood, like I'm going to be drawing him, his bigger eye is always going to be like super big, and the other one is going to be small, no matter what expressions he is in. So let's draw the other, or the pupils. This. Draw that. I'm gonna fill it in because it looks weird not filled in. There we go. And then we're gonna draw his unibrow shape, or that's way too fat. I'll draw his unibrow shape like this. And then we're going to draw his mouth, and he's going to be like, you know, shocked, like, oh my god, Woody, or something. Now, where we have these 2 lines right here, that's like the trunk of the fork, because it kind of looks like a tree trunk, we're going to be placing the base of his arms, okay, which are made out of pipe cleaners. So we're going to close this line off like this, alright? And then we're going to come out over here like this, form like a worm shape, and then come over here and form another worm shape to make this look like it's a tie, okay? And then we're gonna draw a really squiggly line like this. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side, just like that. Now, we're gonna draw the outer portion of his pipe cleaner hand, like this. That looks bad, I don't like that, like this. We're gonna come over, down and under, and complete that hand. I'm gonna go over here and add some kind of dividers to make it look like it's, you know, the pipe cleaner is kind of curling and overlapping to form that weird hand shape, like that. And let's do the same thing for the other side. It shouldn't be very hard. I mean, it's basically all squiggles. His whole hand and arms, they're made out of like squiggly lines, and it should be easy for novices. Now let's draw some separating lines here, just like that. And now let's draw the rest of his body. I'm going to start with a thicker base right here that comes underneath this tied pipe cleaner area, and then he has like gum holding the fork upright. And then we're going to have some defining lines here to make it look like it's just a blob of gum. And then 2 little paddles for feet, like this. I'm going to do on this foot. I'm going to go back over here and add some thin lines to define the fork texture. And there you have it. Pretty simple, right? I hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for more. And that concludes the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to hit subscribe. If you didn't find this drawing video helpful, be sure to go to DrawingHUB.com where you get the step-by-step drawing tutorial video, which is provided in the description below. So be sure to check that out. It's awesome stuff. You can learn how to draw pretty much anything like Fortnite characters and pop culture characters. I also draw live right here on YouTube and also on Twitch TV on the weekdays from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Usually, though, I'm streaming around 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to watch awesome art being drawn, hit me up on the YouTube live stream. Thanks so much for viewing, guys, and I hope you stay tuned for other videos.